Hey Canva lovers! If you've ever wanted to create multiple versions of your designs for different social media platforms without doing everything manually, then you're going to love this. In today's video, I'm showing you how to use the Resize Designs feature in Canva Sheets, step by step. This is seriously a game changer for anyone managing content across Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or any other platform. All right, let's dive in. I'm starting with my Canva sheet, which contains data from a TikTok campaign promoting 4 different products. I've got all the important info in there: impressions, clicks, orders, delivered, sales earnings, and one special column called Designs, which contains product visuals in Instagram format. Now, here's where the magic happens. I select all the design cells in that column, then head over to Actions and click on Resize Designs. Once it opens, I can see all my original Instagram designs listed. I click Continue, and now I get to choose the formats I want to generate. I go with Facebook and TikTok. Then I just hit Copy and Resize. And just like that, Canva instantly creates a new column called Size, where you can see Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok versions of each product design. Each product is duplicated 3 times, one for each platform. Let's take a quick look at the Facebook version. It looks amazing, perfectly resized with all the elements well aligned and centered, just how we want it. It's that easy. Canva Sheets' Resize Designs tool saves you hours of work and helps you create platform-ready designs in just a few clicks. No need to start from scratch every time. Let Canva do the heavy lifting. If this tutorial helped you, drop a comment and let me know what Canva tip you'd like me to cover next. And of course, subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.